Hey, this is Willed and Well Armed. I'm at Sharpshooters USA, and today we're going to be shooting the Staccato P, and we're going to be shooting at 7 yards at the left-hand side for at these three targets, left side, and then we're going to be shooting the Bul Armory SAS TAC Government 9mm, and we're going to be firing it on the right-hand side at these three targets. So it'll be a head-to-head. I'll be taking my time kind of and shooting them both and seeing how they do.
I do apologize. I did shoot the first 20 rounds without turning the camera on. On the top left is the Staccato, and on the top right is the Bul Armory. I was shooting at a modest pace and not really taking too much time, but not going too slow, just a regular pace.
All right, sorry I forgot to turn on the camera. So that was the middle. The left below the one was the Staccato, and on the right hand side was the Bul Armory. Sorry I forgot to turn on the camera. All right, and this is five rounds. So the Staccato is in the bottom left. All right, and the Bul Armory, bottom right. Right, definitely a nice grouping on the Bul Armory. Does seem to shoot high right. The sights just are not as with the bigger dot on the Staccato. I'll pull it on back. So on the left-hand side, all three targets was the Staccato. I would say on the first grouping, I think there was two flyers to the top, and the rest of it was bottom center, a little bit to the left. The middle target was dead on. I feel real good about that. One flyer to the bottom, and then on the bottom right of the Staccato, had three in the orange and two high. On the right hand side, starting at the top, looks pretty good. One flyer to the top. In the middle, much better. That's 10 shots and one flyer, and then in the bottom 5 shots. Pretty much 4 were touching, and one was a little bit more in the center. So happy with the way the Bul is firing. The fiber optic is like I showed, it is a 1mm. It's green. Maybe the green shows up better on the orange targets versus the Staccato has a red. So looking down the barrel, you can see the Staccato has a orange or a red dot. So anyway, I think maybe the color was affecting me. Red not showing up as well on orange as green does on orange. So maybe that was some of it. I don't know. Maybe I've just been shooting the Bul a lot more.
I really didn't feel comfortable about releasing this video. I didn't think it was a fair comparison. So I thought of a better way to do this, and I think it would be to have a green target for the Staccato and an orange target or a red target for the Bul Armory. and see how that works. And also, I don't really know what to do about the size of the dot, but I think I'll let that alone. But anyway, so we'll have a rematch in the next week with appropriate dots as seen here. And have a great day. This is Will and Well Armed, and be prepared.